Today, you're going to learn how to fix TikTok videos not uploading in 2026. If your video gets stuck while uploading, fails to post, or just won't go through, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed easily. In this video, you'll learn 2 of the most effective solutions that solve most upload problems, and we're going to go step by step so you can follow along. So let's start with the first solution, which is checking and fixing your internet connection and upload conditions. This is the most common reason why TikTok videos fail to upload, because uploading videos requires a stable and consistent internet connection. Even if your internet seems fast, small interruptions can stop the upload process. So here's exactly what you need to do. First, check if you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you're on Wi-Fi and the signal is weak, try moving closer to the router, or switch to mobile data to see if it works better. If you're on mobile data, make sure you have a strong signal. You can also turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it off. This helps reset your connection. Another important step is restarting your internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, unplug your router, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Wait until the connection is stable again. Now go back to TikTok and try uploading your video again. Also, make sure your video meets TikTok requirements. For example, avoid extremely large files or unsupported formats. Try keeping your video within normal length and resolution. If your video is too heavy, it may fail during upload. Now let's move to the second solution, which is clearing the app cache and fixing internal app issues. Sometimes the problem is not your internet, but the app itself. Over time, TikTok stores temporary data that can become corrupted, and this can cause uploading errors. So here's how to fix it, step by step. Open TikTok, go to your profile. Now tap the 3 lines in the top corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the option that says Free Up Space or Cache. Now tap on Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files but won't delete your account or videos. Once the cache is cleared, close the app completely. Make sure it's not running in the background. Then open TikTok again. Now try uploading your video one more time. In most cases, this fixes the issue immediately. If the problem continues, you can also try logging out and logging back in. This refreshes your session and can fix hidden errors. Now here are a few important tips to prevent this from happening again. Always make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Updates often fix bugs related to uploading. Also, avoid editing very heavy videos directly on your phone if your device is slow. Try to keep your storage with enough free space, because low storage can affect performance. And finally, avoid switching apps while your video is uploading. Let the upload finish without interruption. After applying these 2 solutions step by step, your videos should upload normally again. And that's how you can fix TikTok videos not uploading in 2026 using 2 simple but very effective methods.